We are well into the afternoon here. I was busy all morning and then some. However, you remember that little toothpick that I was using yesterday that I sanded smooth on one end? Well, I'm going to use the other end for something else. Yesterday my blue tack came. Kinda anxious to try it out and see if it's going to work. This might take 2 coats. Don't want to get it on too thick because then I'm going to lose the detail of the little hinges or whatever those things are on that secondary hatch. You know, like this, you can see it's actually supposed to be 2 pieces there. Now, one of the viewers was wondering, why not use those hatches? Why not, glue it on something like that so it's sort of almost all the way open and have it hinged towards the bow, and that way you could have the hatches and still be able to see the stairs as well. Now, I know from this angle we can't really see the stairs, but if we were to look more down on them we would. So I think I'll just try one after I get it out of there, that is. Anyway, this is going to be a real short video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.